How to make calls hand-free using Siri on iPhone 17 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on settings app. Now in settings scroll down, click on Siri. Now here click on talk to Siri. First of all, click on Siri or Hey Siri and turn on this button. You will see Siri is active. So go back to home screen. So if you want to test Siri, Hey Siri, Hey Siri, go back to home screen. Go back to home screen. Hey Siri, go back to home screen. You will see. Hey Siri, open phone apps. Hey Siri, open contacts. You will see it work properly. Hey Siri, Hey Siri, Siri, open my laptop contact. You will see. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can make calls hands-free on using Siri in iPhone 17 Pro Max. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.